Listen, friend, these s'mores cookie bars owe me nothing. They are chewy, delicious, the right amount of sweetness. I promise you, they are so good, and you can make it with everything that you probably already have in your pantry right now. Listen, they are easy to make. It's not complicated. In fact, your children can do it for you because mine did these. They are so good, layered with graham crackers, sprinkled with marshmallows, and they got marshmallow fluff. And like I said, perfect amount of sweetness. Let's get into it. Make sure you're starting out with browned butter and your sugars. I use dark brown sugar and granulated sugar. And here's why: the dark brown sugar really gives it that nice, chewy, rich flavor, and the granulated sugar actually gives it that nice crunch on the outside. Perfect for chocolate chip cookies. Now, when it comes to the chocolate chips, baby, it's your world. Do what you want to do. I went ahead and did a mixture of the milk chocolate chips with some white chocolate chips, but you can do any type of chocolate chips you want. Mint chocolate chips, whatever you want. Go crazy. It's your thing as long as you have the right amount of like 1 to 2 cups of chocolate chips, baby. Go crazy. Now, if you're struggling with the marshmallow fluff to try to get it to go where it's supposed to go ahead and either spray your spatula with some like vegetable oil or go ahead and dip it in some vegetable oil, and that will help you smooth it out real good. Now make sure you let these cool off before you go ahead and cut into them. The wait is so worth it, I promise you. You want to make sure that the middle sets up so you get a nice chewy cookie, but not a cookie that's all the way falling apart. You know what I mean? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all the things. Help us grow over here so we can bring you more great recipes and more great content. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Here we